Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. We'll see first question. See, ma, this is the first question. This is the first question. Can you go through the question and give me your answer? What is the answer for the given question? So what is the Z value? What is the Z value, ma? What is the Z value? Observe carefully. So I'm getting the various answers, ma. 0 and any more? Yes, ma. Don't be sit idle. So you should take pen and paper. You should solve, right? If you solve, then only you will understand the problem. See, it involves so many things, ma. So it involves a conditional operator as well as a logical operator. It involves the conditional operator as well as the logical operator, right? So yes, ma. Yes, your answer is right, ma. 0, right? See, we'll see how. See, y plus plus, right? It is a y plus plus. So y plus plus means what happened? Y plus plus means which statement will execute, ma? So it is a true or false? Y plus plus is a true or false, ma? Y plus plus is a true or false? True. Sorry, plus plus y, right? Plus plus y. Yes, it is a true, right? So you know very well, if the condition is true in conditional operator, if condition is true, then it comes to first part is a true part. Okay, na? If the condition is true. If condition is false, it comes to false part, right? So as per this, if the condition is true, right? Your statement is comes to here, ma. Your compiler comes to here. Then minus minus y goes to, what is the value minus minus y? So what is this statement goes to? What the statement goes to, ma? What is the value? You will get it here. Minus minus y. Minus minus y value. I'm asking that, not the entire value. What is the value of minus minus y? Y value is 0, right? Minus minus y means exactly right. Minus 1, right? Minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 1, right? But it goes to condition fail. Sorry, this is the condition is 0. Condition false kada 0. And what is the operator you have here? Logical and. Logical and. So if the first statement is false, there is no need to go to the second statement. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So finally false and whatever it may be. So the statement goes to false only. False means the value is 0, right? So 0. So finally z value is goes to 0, ma. Right? Z value is goes to 0. For example, here I'm going to use a logical OR. Here I'm going to use a logical OR. What is the answer now? Instead of logical AND, I'm going to use logical OR. Logical OR, ma. logical or? What is the answer? C. C ma, logical or. What is the answer? 1 minute ma. Right, this is the statement, right? See, here I'm going to use logical or. Logical or. Logical or. See, yes ma, the answer is right, whatever you said. Answer is 1. Answer is 1 ma. Answer is 1. Why answer is 1? See, even the statement is false. The statement is false. Is statement false aina kuda, because -1 is equal to 1. -1 is condition is false, but this condition is true, right? So it goes to true. True value is G1, right? So 1 is stored at Z. 1 stored at Z ma. 1 అనేది Z లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, right? Is this clear, right? Is this clear? See ma, here I'm going to use 1, and here I am going to use y minus minus, and here I'm going to use AND operator. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here ma? Observe carefully ma. So I made a small changes in this program. So here I use logical and, right? I use logical and ma. I used logical and. See, some of them giving 0, right? Answer 0 ఇస్తున్నారు. Funny, right? It's funny, right? It's funny, right? See ma, you people forgot one thing ma here. See, what is the y value? 1, right? So it is a 1. When it comes to plus plus y, what is the value it goes to? 2, right? So it is a post increment, right? Sorry, post decrement, right? So here the value is 2, equal to 1. Condition false na. False means is 0, right? 0 and x. What is the value? Is this clear? Yes or no? Is this clear? Yes ma. Is this clear or not? మీరు నేను చేంజ్ just you observed only whatever I changed, right? But you forgot about the plus y. మీరు plus y ని మర్చిపోయారు, right? So be careful with that, right? So చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి మా. For example, if I am going to use minus y, so now observe carefully, keen observation required. I made minus y. So what is the answer? So I didn't understand ma, what you are asking, sir. In previous one, you have taken y value initially, sir. What is that? Initially one only, na? I made this value is one only. Now what is the answer here? Right? I hope now it is clear, right? Now it is clear. See, I'm going to close the session class ma. Sorry, this question. So last variation ma. See, plus 2 means, so y value is goes to 2, right? It comes to here. Minus y means it's a pre-decrement, right? So it goes to 1, right? So 1 equal to 1. Condition true, right? It is a true, and it goes to and as the condition goes to true, the value is goes to true. True means the value is 0, right? Sorry ma, sorry. The value is 1. The value is 1, right? So 1 is stored at the z. So z value is 1. Right, ma? Right? Is this clear? So if it is clear, we'll go to the next question. We'll go to the next question, ma. I hope it is clear, right? Please don't be sit idle, ma. You people should do the problem. Okay, na? Problems ni meer solve cheyalsi untundi. Don't be sit idle. Is this clear? Yes or no? Should respond. Don't be sit idle. Okay, na? Good, ma. Good. Right? It is clear, right? So this is the explanation, ma, what you did just now. So the next question, ma. This is called as a macros, ma. This is called macros. Ma, macros, ma. So I just used a function using macros, ma. Function using macros. Function using macros. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer, ma? -4. Yes. right? So one answer I got that -4. So I'm getting 2 and 3 also. Some answers from Priya. I'm getting 2 and Kiran, I'm getting 3. So infinity, undefined, and -4. See, generally, here the values of I value is -6 and Z value is 3, right? I value is -6 and Z value is 3, right? So how it evaluates? See, function of, I'm going to take f ma, function of I plus 1, right? So plus -6 plus, instead of that, what I'm going to do, see ma, I'm going to take x and y values only ma. So I values only, I'll take the I values only. See, f of I plus j comma j, right? So when it comes to here, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన వెంటనే ఎలా అవుతుందంటే మా, see, I plus j divided by, so what is the y value? J, right? J. So what is the x value ma? X value is plus, x value is I plus j. See ma, it evaluates like this. Now if you substitute the values ma, if you substitute the values, see, -6, I value is -6 plus 3, j value is 3 plus I value is -6 plus 3. See, this is the first, I mean highest precedence, right? Precedence rise, -6, 3 by 3 plus 1 -6. What is the answer? What is the answer ma? -6 -6 -12, 3. Huh? Yes. Is this clear? Is this clear ma? How it evaluates? How macros will evaluate? Is this clear? Is this clear ma? Right? See, but I want to do some modifications on this program, right? So always don't learn as it is ma. So we needed some fun, right? Right? This is the right. This is the question, right? So let us see what is output first. I don't know. Am I correct or not? Yes. Yes, I'm correct. Right? I'm getting right answer. Yes, na? So I hope that given explanation is enough for you. Is the given explanation is enough for you? Is this clear? Right. But I'm going to do some more modifications on here. See, I'm going to use brackets here. No, what is the answer? Is it execute? If it executes, what is the answer? If it executes, what is the answer? Otherwise, some of them giving wrong, I mean exception, but it is a C language now. You don't have exceptions. It is not C++, right? It is the C language, right? It won't execute. Yes, ma, I will explain. Once again, I will explain, ma. C. Yes. Yes, ma. It is an divided by 0. How will get the divided by 0? How will get the divided by 0, ma? See, here when you use a brackets, ma, when you use a brackets, see, ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది మా? See, if you pause this value, ఇక్కడికి పాస్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఏమవుతుంది మనకు? వాల్యూస్ ఎలా అవుతాయి? See, if you pause the values, I plus J, right? But you should use brackets, right? Brackets use చేశారు మీరు. And divided by, so y, so y means I plus J, right? Again X, so sorry, sorry ma, 1 minute ma. What is the J value? See, y, right? So y means J, right? J plus I plus J, right? You know very well. First it evaluates in brackets ma, brackets ఉన్న values first evaluate చేసుకుంటాయి. So y, I plus Z means you will get here, what is the value you will get it here? Minus 3 divided by, so here it evaluates this value ma. So what is the J value? J value is 3 plus I value is minus 6 plus, so J value is again 3, right? So the value is goes to minus 3 divided by 0, then is the division by 0. Division by 0 is runtime error ma. Runtime error, right? I hope you are clear with this macros ma, how it evaluates. How it evaluates ma. See, remember one thing ma, you just substitute your values here. మీరు ఇచ్చిన values ni, you substitute your values ma. The values whatever they are given, whatever they're given the variables, you just substitute. After the substitute, you go for the expression evaluation ma. You go for the expression evaluation. Expression evaluation, right? Right ma? It is not normal error ma, it is a runtime error. Don't call it as an exception ma, because if it is an exception, if it is a C++ or Java, it is a C, right? It is a C language, right? So in C language, you don't have exceptions. It is a runtime error. Runtime error. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Don't be sit idle ma. So if you sit idle, there is no use for that until you will give the response, until you respond by my queries. Even it is a right or wrong, forgot about that, but you should respond yes sir or no, so this is our doubt. So that will give the more energy to me. That will give the more energy to me to explain the more variations. right? Thank you, ma. Right, I hope it is clear, right? So I'm going to explain the next thing, ma. See, what will be the output of the following code? First, is it execute? Is an error. Otherwise, if executes, what is the answer? Yes, ma'am. So one answer I got from Priya -3, and one more answer I got -5. Ma, if you want to listen again, so you just rewind your video, right? So you just YouTube, you just again visit the YouTube and you just go to the concept, ma, because you don't have much time, right? So don't spend much time on that. Okay, na? If you want to watch again, you just go to the YouTube and you watch it. Yes, ma. So -5, right? See, ma. So here, what I'm going to do, you know very well, right? So what is the pointer? What is the pointer variable, ma? What is the pointer variable? It stores the, yes, ma, it stores the address of another variable, right? Another variable. Ma is not only variable, ma, it's anything, ma, variable or any function also. Any function also, right? Identifier or anything, ma, right? So what you read, so you create a one function pointer. You create a one function pointer. So with arguments also, ma. So this is a one function pointer, right? This is a one function pointer. This is a one function pointer. See, this function, it is a capable of handling three arguments, ma. Three arguments unde functions ne handle cheyagaladu. Remember, it can handle it can handle functions which have three arguments. Three arguments unde functions ne handle cheyagaladu. Ante it can store and it can send the address to the particular function. So for that, you know, the sub is a function. It is going to read how many values? It going to take how many values, ma? It going to take how many values? Three values, right? A, B, C, right? A, B, C, right? So if it is ABC, ABC means sub has a three arguments. Sub has a three arguments. Three arguments, right? So when you pass a 2, 3, 4, so it is equal to sub of 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? It's same, it's same, right? It is same. So you know very well. So you just substitute the values, 2 minus 3 minus 4. What is the value you'll get it here? What is the value you'll get it here, ma? So 2 minus 3, so minus 1 minus 4, right? So minus 5. You know, always is a left to right evaluation. First left evaluation, so you'll give the 1, and after that this value goes to minus 5. Is this clear? Is this clear, ma? See ma, we'll see the same thing in the editor also. See ma, see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one more function, ma, sub rather. Here this function is only 2 arguments. This function has only 2 arguments, ma. There is no c here. There is no c here. And sub 1. This is a sub 1, right? So first we will execute this program and see what is the output. See, so previous one answer is minus 5, right? So whatever you said, right, ma? Whatever you said, that is a right. Whatever you said, the answer is right, ma, is minus 5, right? So what I'm going to do here, see what I'm going to do here. After this, I'm going to execute the same function. See, otherwise I'm going to use sub 1, ma. I'm going to use sub 1, means this is a sub 1, right? This is a sub 1, right? So sub 1 contains only 2 arguments, right? Sub 1 contains only 2 arguments. But here also I'm going to pass only 2 arguments, ma. 2 arguments మాత్రమే pass చేస్తున్నాను. See, what is an error, ma? Too few arguments to the function pointer. Function pointers only too few arguments, but when you see the function arguments is capable of reading the three arguments, but you have given only 2 arguments because of sub 1 contains only 2 arguments. Okay, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to use a 4 istunan, ma. See, now what it can do. Hi, it executed, right? It executed, right? Right? Yema, is this clear? So even it can work for the few arguments also. Right? It can work for the few arguments also, man. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? ఈ సబ్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ ని నేను 2 ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ అంటే see, it should be so ఇక్కడైతే ఎన్నైతే ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయేమో 1 2 3, so these many arguments you need to pass. Okay na? But the sub function, the pointer range is nothing, how many arguments from that? So ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి, but I required only 2, right? So I can pick only 2, right? A minus b, only I can pick 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 only. For example, if I use a sub use చేసాం అనుకోండి, okay, I required 3 arguments. Sub function required 3 arguments. Sub function required 3 arguments, right? So see, this is sub function. Sub function required 3 arguments. So for the 3 arguments, it can take 3 arguments, right? See, right? You get the right answer, right? And even if you use a sub 1 contains only 2 arguments. Sub 1 contains only 2 arguments. For the sub 1 also it is going to work. See, right? So గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఇక్కడ, Please remember one thing, here it can take the function pointer can take only how many arguments are required. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఎన్ని కావాలో అన్ని మాత్రమే ఇది రిట్రీవ్ తీసుకుంటుంది. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నా కూడా ఇట్ డజంట్ కేర్. ద ఫంక్షన్ ఇట్ డజంట్ కేర్ అబౌట్ దట్. రైట్, అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? ఈవెన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటే, సార్ ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఇక్కడ 3 ఉండాలి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ రూల్ మా. బట్ సి సార్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, I have one more doubt. Sir, what happened? Sir, if I am going to run a sub run చేస్తున్నాను sir, but I am going to use it 2 arguments only. But how many arguments required for the sub? How many arguments required for the sub function? How many arguments required for the sub function, ma? Yes, ma. Don't be sit idle. Should respond, right? Yes, 3 arguments, right? But here I created a function pointer with 2 arguments. Function pointer with 2 arguments. 2 arguments. I'm going to call that this function. ఇది కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను. See, 2 arguments కదా. I'm going to pass 2 arguments only. Then see what happened. I didn't get an error, ma. I didn't get an error. Why I'm getting this value? Why I'm getting this value? Exactly, ma. Exactly, superb. Because the last value it is going to take the garbage value. The C value is a garbage value. This value is take the garbage value. Right? Right, ma? Is it clear, ma? Even 2 తీసుకొనేసి you can find, you can apply for the 2 arguments also, 3 arguments also. But last value it required 3 arguments, right? So it required A, B, C. So it take 2 in A, right? 3 in B. So what about C? C is not there. So C is not there. So it has some memory location, right? It has some memory location. For a memory location, it has a garbage value. That value it will take and it can calculate. It can calculate. It can calculate. Right? Ma, is this clear? Is this clear, ma? But please note this, you're getting an error, you're getting a one message, incompatible pointer type అనేసి, right? Now see, if you give properly, then you didn't get any errors. You don't have any errors, ma. If you give improper ante, so few arguments, you will give the few lesser arguments, few less arguments, then it will give an warning, right? It is not an error, ma. It is just to give the warning. But the arguments whichever you pass here, ఇక్కడ ఎన్నైతే పాస్ చేశారో అన్ని కంపల్సరీగా మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది, మా. See, here also you're getting a same assignment from an incompatible pointer type, but you didn't get any wrong answer, right? Right, ma? Shall we move to the next question, or do you have any doubts here? Yes, ma. It doesn't generate an error, ma. For a few arguments, just it generates an warning. Just it is a warning, ma. Just it is an warning, right? So most of them sit idly. It's look bad, right? few more days left for the drive. See, it's a simple explanation, but if you want to do variations, then the next question, ma. So here we are going to talking about scanf, ma. The purpose of the scanf. What scanf will return? What the scanf will return? What the scanf will return, ma? Three error. Yes, ma. Everyone should respond. I'm asking about what and scanf returns, ma. Scanf ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది? What scanf return? See, right? This is the scanf, right? సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే మా వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్? Seema. So this is the program. So what is the output of the given program? What did said, ma? So in the first case, for the first case, we need to read. We need to read case 1, ma. Case 1 కి ఏం రీడ్ చేయాలి మనము? 1 రీడ్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్, 3.2 రీడ్ చేయాలి, ఎస్ అనే క్యారెక్టర్ రీడ్ చేయాలి. సో సెకండ్ కేస్ కి ఏం రీడ్ చేయాలి? సెకండ్ కేస్ కి 1 రీడ్ చేయాలి, ఎస్ రీడ్ చేయాలి, 3.2 రీడ్ చేయాలి. Right? So these things we need to remember. This is the first case, ma. This is the second case. This is the first case. This is the second case. See, what is the answer here? See, first case, ma. 1, 3.2, comma, yes. Exactly. Why 3? Why 3? Why answer is 3, ma? Anyone can tell? Answer is 3, but why? Why the answer is 3, ma? Number of inputs, right? Very good, ma. Number of inputs, right? Number of arguments, right? Exactly. I like that is why I came here. Yes, ma. For second case, 1, yes, 3.2. Now what is the answer? Error, right? So many of them writing error. Many of them writing error, right? Why? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? Data type does not match. So if does not match, it generates an error. C, I know as my knowledge, C is not much capable. Sorry. Sorry, 1 minute. C. So 1, yes, 3.2. 1 is the answer. It is not an error. 1 is the answer. Seema, please remember one thing here. Please remember one thing here. How many arguments it is going to read successfully? Right? So here, if you observe the program, see, 1 is related to percentage D, right? Integer, right? So S is related to the percentage F, right? So 3 point related to wrong, right? అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? Is this clear? Is this clear, ma? How many arguments you are going to read successfully? How many arguments you are going to read successfully? See, for example, I'm going to run this program. See, same, ma. What is that? 1, yes, comma, yes. Now, what is the answer? Now, what is the answer, ma? Sorry. One, yes, yes. Zero. See, 1, 3.2, 3.2. I'm getting 3 answer. I'm getting 3 answer. 2, 2, 2. I'm getting answer 3. Seema. Yes, yes, yes. I'm getting answer 0. అర్థమైందా? What is going on here? Huh? What is going on here? ఏం జరుగుతుందమ్మా ఇక్కడ? సి సార్ ఏంటి ఎస్ఎస్ఎస్ఎస్ 3 ఎస్లు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమో ఇఫ్ యూ ద 3 ఎస్ఎస్ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 0. ఓకేనా? ఫర్ 3 ఎస్ఎస్ మా. సో 2 2 2 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమో ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 3. సి 2 2 2 ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 3. I'm getting 3. So when I'm give 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఏమొస్తుంది నాకు? అగైన్ ఐమ్ గెటింగ్ 3.2, 3.2, 3.2 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 3 వస్తుంది. సో when I give 2 yes 3.2 ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది నాకు? Seema. 2, 3.2, 3.2. Answer getting 3, right? So for answer 2, 3.2, 3.2, I'm getting answer 3. For this also I'm getting answer 3, right? For example, I'm going to give yes 3 yes 3.2, 3 yes 3.2 ma. Answer is 1 ma. I'm going to write all the combinations. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి బాగా ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. From this evaluation you need to tell the answer why I'm getting all these all these kinds of things. సి రైట్. ఎస్ఎస్ కి 0 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? క్యారెక్టర్ టైప్ ఏమేమి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు? సీమా. సి ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ క్లియర్లీ, మీరు బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారంటే మా సి ఇఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ అంటే హౌ మెనీ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రీడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్, ఎన్ని రీడ్ చేస్తుంది, హౌ మెనీ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రీడ్. సో సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ మా సి ఇఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్ దెన్ యూ స్టాప్ ద ప్రాసెస్ అండ్ ఎన్ని ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ రీడ్ చేసినా కూడా సో 0 సక్సెస్ఫుల్. ఇక్కడ చూడమా 2 సార్ 2 ఎందుకు కన్సిడర్ చేసిందంటే సీమా 2 is integer, right? So 2, when you 2 is a float, it is considered as a 2.0. When you take a 2 ma, so 2 is a ASCII value, right? Character ga తీసుకుంటుంది ma. See ma, integer to character is a possible, but character to integer is a data missing ma. Data missing. That is why. So ASCII value ga తీసుకుంటుంది. That is why it is given the 3 ma. 3.2 చూడండి integer ga ఏం తీసుకుంటుంది? 3 float 3.2 తీసుకుంటుంది. మళ్ళీ 3 ని ఓన్లీ కన్సిడర్ ఫర్ ద క్యారెక్టర్ 3 యొక్క ASCII వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓకేనా? when you going to 2 is right. So 3.2 right, no problem. It is when you're going to take this value is also character, right? When it comes to here 3 integer, yes is a float ma, అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి fail అన్నమాట, ఇక్కడ నుంచి fail, it is going to fail here, ఇక్కడ నుంచి fail అయింది. see మీకు ఇంకా కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పాలంటే చూడండి, see I'm going to run this program. see 3 yes కదమ్మా, నేను 3 yes కామా yes ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది మాత్రమే రాంగ్ మా, ఇది రైట్ కదా, కానీ నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ 2 రావాలి. బట్ సి వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్, ఐ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ హియర్. సి 1, ద రీజన్ ఈజ్ సో దీని తర్వాత ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతుందమ్మా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఫెయిల్, సో మీన్స్ 3 yes yes. సో హౌ ఎస్ ఈస్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్లోట్ లో ఎస్ ని స్టోర్ చేయలేం కదా, ఇస్ రాంగ్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి సో హౌ మెనీ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్, సో ఓన్లీ 1 ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ మాత్రమే సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా అయింది, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని కూడా ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయాయి. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్ మా? చూడమా, how many arguments successfully read, how many arguments you are going to read successfully from left to right ma. When it is fail, 2 statements తర్వాత ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతే 2 మాత్రమే ఆన్సర్. బట్ రిమెంబర్ క్యారెక్టర్ కెన్ రీడ్ ఎనీథింగ్, మా. సో scanf returns the number of values that successfully read from left to right ma. So what does the following function do for the given linked list? If you have any doubts, ask me, but don't be sit idle. So calm గా అయితే కూర్చోవద్దు మా. Printing data of all nodes, that's okay, but exactly I required, what is the output? Exactly ma, exactly. So yes ma, exactly. So data in reverse order, right? So we'll see ma. So because most of them may just revision, just listen, so what is going on. See ma, so this is the program for application for which data structure? This is the program is application of which data structure ma? Application of which data structure? Is application of which data structure ma? Application of which data structure? I'm not asking about which data structure is used here, I'm asking about application. What is the concept here? Can anyone tell? Recursion, right? Recursion is application of which data structure? Recursion is application of which data structure? Exactly ma, stack, right? Exactly. The answer is stack. Stack ma. Exactly ma. Right? C. See ma. Here you need to we'll just take one stack ma. ఒక stack తీసుకోండి. Just take one stack. Okay na? So you know that it has some blocks. Right? See ma, the first time when you call ఏమవుతుందో మీకు f of 1 అనేది it just inserted here. f of 1, right? f of 1. f of 1 inserted here ma, right? f of 1 తర్వాత node, so head is not null, head null not null కదా, 1 ఉంది కదా, so it comes to here. head not next ma, head not next means, so ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాము అంటే 1 నేను 1 2 3 అనుకుంటున్నాము, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది దగ్గర ఉన్నాము, సో 2 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోయాం, right? సో నెక్స్ట్ మా f of 2, we'll call it as a f of 2 ma, f of 2, right? f of 2. So f of 2 తర్వాత again head dot 2 is not null na, so again it comes to here. So ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది మనకి f of 3, f of 3. Next ma it comes to here, 3 is not null, comes to here, so f of 4, right? Again f of 5. Next ma f of 5, 5 dot next tarvata is null is there, right? Here null is there, so null is comes to here, null equal null, then here null, right? f of null, null means simply return back. Then after this statement, what is the statement is there? Print head dot data. 5 dot data అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మా 5 లో 5 ఉంది కదా మా, so it prints 5. So after that return, then after this 5 dot 4 dot 4 dot data, next return 3, next return 2, next return 1, right? Is this clear ma? Is this clear? Is this clear ma? See, ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మా, if your printf is after recursion function calling ma, calling function తర్వాత ఉంటాయి మా, if your after calling function, మీ printf అనేది after calling function తర్వాత ఉంటే the data is printed in the reverse order. If the same statement is before calling function, you will get same order ma, you will get same order. Right ma? Is this clear, right? Is this clear, right? Sima, what is the output of the given program? You may seen same kind of problem earlier. right? So various answers ma. Fellows, fellows, right? Runtime error, runtime error, failures. Okay ma. We'll see what is the output, but before that I want to see the variations. See, this is a simple program, right? But so much logic is involved in that. See ma, exactly whatever you said, that fail low, not fail lows ma, LLO. That's all ma. Fail low, not fail lows. Reason I'll tell you ma. Reason I will tell you. See, see how many are there? 10 into 50, right? 10 into 5. 10 into 5 means 10 rows. 10 rows, 5 columns, right? Each column size is 5. Each column size is 5. But you know very well, it can store. It can store. How it can store? ఎలా స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది? In a consecutive manner. In a consecutive manner లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. It can store in a consecutive manner. సో అలా స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది, right? సో కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ మేనర్ లో స్టోర్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు సీమా every string ends with exactly null character, right? Every string ends with null character, right? సో సీమా ఇక్కడ హాయ్ హెచ్ఐ ఏ స్లాష్ అని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది మా. స్లాష్ అని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. సి ఇక్కడ 10 ఉంది కదా, సో 5, సో 1 2 3 4 5 5 వరకు వదిలిపెట్టేస్తుంది మా. అంటే 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 ఇలా ఉంటుంది మా, రైట్? హై స్లాష్ అని తర్వాత హౌ మెనీ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మా? 1 2 3 4 5 ఇక్కడ నుంచి వదిలిపెట్టేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 5 మా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మా హెచ్ ఈ ఎల్ ఎల్ ఓ, right? After that, so how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5, right? Next ma, fellow starts here, f e l l o, right? f 1 2 3 4 5, right? So after that it leaves ma, even insert చేసినా కూడా it goes to the next part లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, right? See, if I print 2 బదులు 3 ప్రింట్ చేస్తే what is the answer? What is the answer ma? If I print 3, what is the answer? WS నథింగ్ మా. ఇట్ డస్ అంటే ఇది ఓన్లీ ఈ పార్ట్ వరకు మాత్రమే, ఆ తర్వాత స్టోర్ చేయదు మా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐ ప్రింట్ 1, what is the answer? What is the answer ma? If I print superb, superb, right? Superb. See, surprise, surprise. See, you should remember one thing, ma. Right. Surprise, hello fellow, hello fellow. See, for example, if I print a of 0, now what is the answer? Hi, hello fellow, right? If I print hi, if I print a of 0, what is the answer? What is the answer? Now you are clear now. Hi only. Remember, ma, after the number of strings, after the number of characters, you should give the one space for the character, null character. Null character ki space undali. See, hello tarvata there is no null character space, right? There is no null character space. So when you starts here, so address ఏం చేస్తుంది మీరు a of 0 అంటేనే, so it takes this address మా, ఈ అడ్రస్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి it search for the null character, where the null character is there. So null character ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? By default ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Here the null character is there. Here the null character is there, right? Here the null character is there. So that is why it gives answer is hello fellow, hello fellow. For example, here I am going to write TCS. Okay na? Here I am going to give NQT. Now if I print 1, what is the answer? Seema, what is the answer? See, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందా, మీరు నల్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెట్టినా కూడా, సో ఈ బ్లాక్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏంటిది, సో ఇది ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ ది, ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ 1, ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ 2, ఇది ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ స్ట్రింగ్ 3, ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ స్ట్రింగ్ 4, రైట్? సో స్ట్రింగ్ 4 అనేది సారీ ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ 4 మా, ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ 4. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టోర్ ద డేటా. TCS అని ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది, రైట్? రైట్ మా, ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్, రైట్? No null character for hello means the reason behind how many characters you have given the size. What is the size here? 5, right? 5, right? 5 means you already stored hello. Where you stored null character? For null character you should require some space, right? So if you store only 4 characters, ante if you assign 5 means you should store only n-1 character, 4 characters only. Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer, ma? Exactly ma. రైట్? ఎందుకంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మా, మీరు చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మా ఇది. నార్మల్గా ఏంటంటే మనం ఎక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతామంటే See, first before going to that, you take that how many character for the each string. దీనికంటే 5 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, 5కి 5 అసైన్ చేశారనుకోండి, దెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో నల్ క్యారెక్టర్. అంటే ఈ పక్క ఉండే స్ట్రింగ్ కూడా మీకు కన్సిడర్ అయిపోతుంది, రైట్? ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ 5 మీరు సైజ్ 5 ఇచ్చి ఇఫ్ యూ స్టోర్ 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్, 4 అండ్ లెస్, 4 ఆర్ లెస్, సో ఎన్ని ఇచ్చి n-1 ఆర్ లెస్, then only it works fine, ma. Right? Right, ma? Is this clear, right? Yes or no? Imbabu, the class is not interesting. You're getting bored. You're getting bored, right? Ma, please remember one thing, ma. Please remember one thing. So instead of learning the new things, you should good with the things what you know very well. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? ఇప్పుడు కొత్త వాటిని నేర్చుకోవడం కంటే మీకు తెలిసిన కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ని సో కరెక్ట్ గా యూజ్ చేయడం నేర్చుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ మా. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో మన దగ్గర లేని వాటి గురించి, సో ఐ డోంట్ నో జావా, ఐ డోంట్ నో సిపిపి, ఐ డోంట్ నో దట్ వన్, అలా ఆలోచించడానికంటే సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యు నో పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ, మీకు ఏవైతే తెలుసు, సి యు నో వెరీ వెల్, రైట్? సో యు నో వెరీ వెల్ అబౌట్ ద స్ట్రింగ్స్, యు నో వెరీ వెల్ అబౌట్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ద లింక్ లిస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, రైట్? సో వాటిలో ఉండే ఫాల్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలిగితే మీన్స్, సో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మా, మనకు 100% తెలియాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో సమ్ ఎక్స్ అనేవాడు 100% చదివి ఉంటాడు మా, రైట్? సో నో నీడ్ టు వరీ ఆన్ దట్ 100%. సో ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యు నో 60%, బట్ యూ షుడ్ నో హౌ టు యూస్, యూ షుడ్ నో హౌ టు యూస్ ద వెపన్స్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో మీరు వార్లో ఉన్నారు, వార్లో మీ దగ్గర చాలా ఉన్నాయి, you have so many rifles, missiles, so you have so many things, but you don't know how to use, there is no use for that, right? So like that, so the one person has only a simple pistol, but you know how to use very efficiently, right? So that is why always you have to, the things which you know, you should very clear with that. అర్థమవుతుందా? మీకు తెలిసిన వాటిని పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా యూజ్ చేయడం మాత్రమే నేర్చుకోండి. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్, రైట్? This is the last question for the today session. So what is the output here? Yes, ma. What is the output here? Two one one. So you know about the size of operator. Why you people are waiting that much time? Huh? You know very well about that. The size of operator. What is the purpose of the size of operator? What is the purpose of the size of operator, ma? Defines data type, pa. Huh? Exactly, ma. It returns size of the data type. Return. Are you return size of data type, right? It return size of data type, right? So here they have given even మీకు తెలియదేమో even they have given the sizes also. They have given the sizes also. Now tell me what is the output here? See, these many members are there, but no one giving the response. Hmm? Seema, remember one thing. I want to show some funny things again. చూడండి మీరు ఏవైతే సింపుల్ అనుకుంటారో మీకు అంతా చాలా బాగా తెలుసు మా సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేటర్ గురించి. యు నో వెరీ వెల్ రైట్, చాలా బాగా తెలుసు. కానీ సి మీకు తెలిసిన కాన్సెప్ట్సే ఎలా ట్విస్ట్ అవుతాయో చూడండి. ఎలా ట్విస్ట్ అవుతాయి చూడండి మా. షార్ట్ ఇంట్, క్యారెక్టర్, ఓకేనా? సో అండ్ అడిషన్. 214 214 214 214. What is the reason here? What is the reason? So I'll tell you the reason. See, these two are very clear, right? So size is here 2, here 1, but here when you are going to perform this plus operation, what it means? What it means, ma? Plus operation means the C is goes to an integer, right? C is goes to an integer, right? C is considered as an integer, right? So అంటే 97, it goes to 97 లాగా తీసుకుంటుంది మా, రైట్? సో కన్కేటేషన్ అవ్వదు కదా ఇక్కడ, ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ ఇంటీజర్. సో C is considered as an integer, so I is considered as a short int, right? So 20, right? Short int, right? So when you consider this one, so you know size of integer is 4 bytes, right? So it's 2 bytes. So, means if you perform this type conversion, it goes to 4 bytes. type conversion లో 4 bytes అవుతుంది మా, which is the maximum size of the 2, which is the maximum size of the 2, it goes to that one. అలా కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. See, if I'm going to take this one as float, so double ma, double. Now what is the answer here? Now what is the answer here? Now what is the answer here? Yes ma, everyone should respond. So right or wrong, we just respond first. The task is to respond. First respond avadam చాలా important, right? Right or wrong, forgot about that. 818. So reason is, you know very well. You know very well ma. So double size is 8 bytes, right? Double size is 8 bytes. Double size is 8 bytes. So it takes 8 bytes, right? So ఇక్కడ 8 అని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది మా. Next it goes to character, right? It is a 1 byte as it is ma. When it comes to here, we're going to between the addition between the double and we're going to addition between the double and character. Double and character. So simply it goes to the double. It goes to the double, right? So ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది డబల్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది మా. Conversion is goes to double. డబల్ లాగా తీసుకుంటుంది, right? See ma, for example here I'm going to give 2.6 ma. What is the answer now? Size of C plus 2.6. C plus 2.6, what is the output? C plus 2.6, what is the output? Surprise. Remember one thing ma, whenever the value is not to float, assign చేయకుండా మీరు ఇలా తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి మా, 2.6 అలా తీసుకున్నాం డైరెక్ట్ గా. సో దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈస్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ డబల్ మా. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మా, ఇలా 2.6 ద వాల్యూ ఈస్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ డబల్. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఇలా ఫ్లోట్ కి అసైన్ చేశారు అనుకోండి, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఫ్లోట్, సరే ఇక్కడ నేను ఫ్లోట్ తీసుకుంటాను. ఫ్లోట్ 3.2 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, 3.2 తీసుకునేసేసి ఇక్కడ ఐ రాశారు అనుకోండి, then it is correct. But when you assign a value directly, ఇలా డైరెక్ట్ గా అసైన్ చేశారు అనుకోండి మా, then this value is considered as a float, double. Then the value is considered as a double ma. Then the value is considered as a double, right? Is this clear ma now? Is this clear? Right ma? Ma, do you have any doubts here? Ask me. Do you have any doubts, anything? Please ask me, ma. Ma, here I shared one link, ma. That is my YouTube channel, right? It is my YouTube channel, ma. If you want to anything, so you just go through the link, ma. Okay, na? So subscribe me, ma. So I'll give the some stuff there. Okay, na? Even you can watch this kind of videos repeatedly, right? So subscribe చేసుకోండి మా ఛానల్. And if you like the video, like, otherwise dislike, it's okay, no problem. But just go through the video and it just give us some feedback, right? So మీకు ఏమైనా videos కావాలంటే just repeated గా you can watch the same video, right? I hope there is no doubts, right? I'm going to close the session, ma. So you can join the tomorrow 7 a.m. sharply, ma. Right? Thank you, ma. Thank you. So I hope it is my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, ma. So tomorrow we'll see some more kind of the increment decrement operators అలాంటివి కూడా చూద్దామా, right? Thank you, ma.